This second poem I wrote a couple of months ago. One Saturday afternoon, it was teeming down with rain. I sat there and I thought, poem. And here it is, rain. Today the rains came, falling steadily, saturating towns, cities, pavements, people. A steady flow of manna from heaven, showering blessings, bringing succor to trees, plants, flowers. Today the rains came, each drop unique, sprinkling love. It fed each blade of grass, petal, leaf, soil, seed, to sanctify growth. Today the rains came to fill reservoirs, reserves to sustain, ensuring homes equipped to fulfill our daily needs. Today the rains came. We are blessed with all it brings, a wealth of happiness. Elsewhere, lands parch, ground stark, food supply ceased, barren soil where nothing grows, bellies hungry, future dark. Seas devoured by scavenging wildlife searching for sustenance, hungry nations, desperate people dying of starvation as they pray. Today, please let the rains come our way.